Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at using two vertical bars, often called the logical OR, to make running a Linux command dependent on the result of a prior command. So the syntax is going to look something like this. You have one command, you have the two vertical bars, and you have the second command. What happens is that if command 1 fails, command 2 will be run. On the other hand, if command 1 is run successfully, then command 2 will not be run. So here's an example. In this case, we're listing a file, sending the output to dev null, so we won't see any output. But if this command fails, in other words, if my file doesn't exist, this command will create it with the touch command. So now we're going to look at the file and to show you the date, so you see that it was just created, even though you may be watching this video much later. It did work. And this command using the vertical bars is not restricted to just one command and another command. You can string them together like this if you want. In this case, the second command, the cat file 2, will not be run if the first one's successful, and the third command will not be run if the second one's successful, but it doesn't matter. You can do that as much as you want, and often this trick is used in scripts. Well, that's your Linux tip for using the two vertical bar or the logical OR operator. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.